This is Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite. But don't be fooled with the name because this is not a light smartphone in any means. To know why, let's check it out. If you live in any part of the world except the United States or Hong Kong, you must be one of the frustrated Samsung users because of Samsung's decision to sell us smartphones with inferior Exynos chipset. Now, it's finally over. Well, at least for this time. Yes, Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite is finally officially the first Samsung high-end series since so many years that comes with Snapdragon 855 chipset. Even though it's a last year chipset, you know what is the first thing that crossed my mind? Yes, you got it right, better performance. Despite the slightly faster Snapdragon 855 Plus is already in many flagship smartphones out there, and the new Snapdragon 865 is just around the corner, I still believe Snapdragon 855 is still a top performance chipset and noticeably better than the current Exynos. So, let's see how this Galaxy S10 Lite performs. Before we start our benchmark and gaming test, let's look at Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite specifications against Galaxy S10. Based on the table, somehow I think that S10 Lite is actually an improved version of Galaxy S10, at least on the performance side. Now, let's do some benchmark. The benchmark scores are very impressive. But now, let's do some real-world tests with some popular games: PUBG, Asphalt 9, and Mobile Legends. The phone is obviously able to do extreme settings in PUBG, and even that, it runs perfectly smooth. Just see how well I perform here. Now, let's try Mobile Legends. The phone performs really well and there is no stutter at all, even during intense battlefield. We love playing Asphalt 9, not just because it is one of the best racing games, but also because it has very nice graphics. As you can see, it looks absolutely brilliant on this Galaxy S10 Lite thanks to its Super AMOLED panel and also the 29 aspect ratio that ensure immersive gameplay. Only after playing the games for 30 minutes straight, we feel some heating effect, which indicates that the Galaxy S10 Lite has good thermal properties to keep the temperature in check. We can't avoid talking about cameras when it comes to the Galaxy S series, so let's have a quick look at the image quality. There are 3 cameras on the back, which are 48 megapixel main camera, a 5 megapixel macro camera, and 12 megapixel ultra-wide camera. There's also a 32 megapixel camera on the front for selfies. In short, the Galaxy S10 Lite is simply a powerhouse. It provides great performance, beautiful display, brilliant cameras, and also very efficient battery life, and simply a good buy if you are looking for such an all-rounder smartphone now. Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite is now available for just Malaysian ringgit 2699 at all DirectDis outlet near you. Or you can also purchase from the official store at www.directd.com.my. Thumbs up if you like the video and please subscribe to DirectDMedia for more amazing smartphone video. I'm signing off. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Adios.